Mauuak Saving Tips presents. I'm diving into the world of finance to figure out what's the smartest investment for 2025, and I'm challenging myself to put my money where my mouth is. So, you might be wondering what exactly are smart investments? SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In the context of investing, these principles encourage thoughtful, strategic decisions that align with your long-term financial goals while adapting to current market conditions. As we head into 2025, with global markets shifting due to technology, policy changes, and geopolitical pressures, adopting a smart approach is more important than ever. Understanding what makes an investment, SMART, can significantly improve your financial outcomes. It empowers you to avoid knee-jerk decisions, steer clear of unnecessary risks, and align your portfolio with a clear vision. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning your journey, knowing how to make smart investments could be the game changer you need to thrive in today's dynamic market. Being a smart investor isn't about chasing trends or reacting to hype. It's about being intentional, taking the time to research, analyze data, and develop a strategy that matches your risk appetite and long-term vision. It's about filtering out the noise and focusing on decisions that will help you build sustainable wealth over time. The challenge, of course, is navigating today's fast-moving, often volatile market. Economic shifts, tech disruption, and global events create a constant state of flux. Investors must deal with overwhelming volumes of information, which can be difficult to interpret. Misinformation and emotional investing, driven by fear or FOMO, can lead to costly mistakes. From watching hot stocks plummet overnight to missing out on long-term gains due to panic selling, these pitfalls are all too common. On top of that, the rapid pace of innovation means that even promising investments can become obsolete quickly. Remember how quickly new tech replaces the old? Investing without diversification or a clear plan is a recipe for sleepless nights and shrinking portfolios. This is where the smart approach offers real power. It gives you a framework for evaluating opportunities, not just based on hype or headlines, but based on solid, goal-aligned criteria. By applying smart principles, you're better equipped to manage risk, stay the course, and adapt intelligently to market changes. Looking ahead to 2025, several sectors stand out as promising for smart investors. The technology sector continues to dominate, particularly in areas like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and semiconductors. These aren't just trends, they're refoundational to how businesses and governments operate in the modern world. The renewable energy sector is another area where growth is accelerating. As global focus intensifies on sustainability, companies involved in solar, wind, hydrogen, and battery technology are well-positioned for long-term performance. Green energy isn't just good for the planet, it's becoming good business too. Real estate remains a reliable avenue, especially in emerging markets experiencing rapid urbanization and infrastructure development. Whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial spaces, the potential for both capital appreciation and passive income is strong, particularly through REITs. Focused on sustainability and smart urban planning, the healthcare sector, including biotech and medical technology, is also booming. As populations age and healthcare innovation accelerates, this sector continues to attract significant investment. Meanwhile, e-commerce, digital payments, and the electric vehicle industry are reshaping the way we live and consume, creating long-term investment potential that can be ignored. Let's not forget infrastructure development, particularly in developing economies where new roads, bridges, and smart cities are being built. Investing in these trends early can yield significant rewards. Plus, investing in education and professional training, especially in in-demand industries like tech and healthcare, can also be a powerful long-term play. Based on expert analysis and current market data, here are my top 3 smart investments for 2025. 1. A diversified tech ETF. This provides broad exposure to high-growth companies across AI, software, cloud services, and more. It reduces individual stock risk while capturing the sector's upward trajectory. 2. A renewable energy stock. Companies focused on solar farms, wind turbines, and clean energy infrastructure are set to benefit from global decarbonization policies and increased energy demand. 3. A sustainable REIT. Investing in real estate trusts focused on green buildings and eco-friendly development offers both stability and ethical alignment. These REITs often yield consistent dividends and serve as a hedge against market volatility. All of these recommendations are backed by current data and expert consensus. They align with the SMART criteria and present real opportunities to build long-term wealth in a thoughtful, informed way. In conclusion, the future belongs to investors who plan, prepare, and stay informed. By applying the SMART framework, being specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you can make sound decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. We've explored not just the principles behind smart investing, but also specific sectors and assets that are likely to shine in 2025 and beyond. Whether it's cutting-edge tech, sustainable energy, or resilient real estate, the opportunities are there. You just need the right strategy. If you found this helpful, or if you have your own thoughts or questions about investing, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let's learn and grow together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, explore other videos on Mauuak Saving tips for more insights on investing, saving, and building a financially secure future.